France, the most visited country in the world. Your honeymoon or anniversary will be memorable in the city of love. But don't you need a visa to enter the country? Keep watching to find out. Hi, this is Behnam from the Visa Library. This channel gives visa information about your travel destinations. In this video, you'll find out all about France tourist visa. Before I begin, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell. Winter is coming with more videos. Are you ready? Let me ask you, how to know that you need a France tourist visa or not? The answer is up to your nationality. A few countries don't need a France tourist visa. See the list of them in the Visa Library article in the description box. If you're among them, you can visit France with your passport and stay for 3 months. 3 months. If not, you're gonna have to apply for a visa. Keep watching to find out how. First, you need to collect the supporting documents. Here is a list of them. Number 1 is the application form. Visit the official website for France government from the link in the description. Create an account if you don't have one with your personal information. The website tells you how to complete the forms. You need to submit a printed final page to the French embassy in your home country. Number 2 is 2 passport-style photos. They cannot be older than 3 months ago. Number 3 is your passport. It must have been issued in the past 10 years, not older. Also, it must be valid for at least 3 months over the end of your travel in France. Having at least 2 blank pages is also a must. Number 4, copies of older visas. If you have had visas for other countries, provide a copy of them. Number 5 is medical insurance. Buy valid insurance in France that covers your expenses for 30,000 euros. Check the refund policy in case you don't receive a visa. You can get insurance from Europe Assistance or AXA companies. Are you wondering how much the insurance costs? It's up to different factors. 1. Your age. 2. How much coverage you want. 3. The trip duration and the insurance company. You might have to pay 56 to 74 euros for 1 month of insurance. Remember that the embassy might ask that the insurance covers COVID-19 expenses. Check whether they offer it or not. Number 6 is proof of having a financial means to cover your expenses in France. A bank statement or bank balance certificate is needed to prove you have enough money to cover your expenses in France. Number 7 is proof of a place to stay. Where are you going to stay in France? Submit the receipt of hotel reservation from websites like Booking.com, Skyscanner, Hotels Combined, Expedia, and other ones. In case you're staying with a host, he or she must prove to have enough money to cover you in France. Writing an invitation letter is also helpful. Remember, you could also submit a rental contract or a certificate of ownership. Number 8 is the criminal record certificate. It shows you have a clean record and have not committed any crime. You need to get it from the police in your home country. Let me ask you this. Have you lived in a foreign country for at least 6 months in the past 10 years? If yes, you need a clean record certificate from that country as well. There are also requirements for employment status. If you're employed, a contract of employment and permission leave from your employer is needed. If you're self-employed, a copy of your business registration or business license is needed. A copy of your bank statement for the past 6 months is also required. And the last one is income tax return. If you're a student, proof of enrollment in your school or university is needed. If you're retired, a pension statement of the latest 6 months is needed. This was the list of the requirements, but the French embassy in your home country might ask for further documents. They notify you if it's so. At this stage, schedule a meeting with the French embassy or consulate in your home country. Remember, you can get the meeting before starting to gather the supporting documents, but you should have enough time to collect the documents and not to miss the appointment. When you're done with the documents, attend the meeting with the embassy and bring all the requirements. Check the embassy's website, see if they have entrance rules or regulations over the COVID-19 or not. They are to prevent the spreading of the virus and its variations. Submit the documents when meeting the officials. pay the fees, and answer their questions regarding the purpose of your visit. Done? You should wait until the embassy works on your application and decide to issue it or not. The embassy informs you of their decision. When you get your visa, you can enter France under the specified dates on your visa. Your visa is valid for 90 days in 6 months, not longer. You may not extend the duration of your stay. Now, let me ask you, are there entrance restrictions over COVID-19 to enter France? COVID-19 restrictions at French border were eased on February 12, 2022 for fully vaccinated travelers. Proof of a complete vaccination is enough to arrive in France, and the country of origin doesn't matter. Unvaccinated travelers need to present a negative test. On-arrival tests and isolation are lifted when they come from countries on the green list. What if you enter France from an orange country? In this case, you need to present a compelling reason justifying the need to enter France. Also, you may have to do a random test on arrival. You can get more information from the Ministry of Interior and Overseas website. The link is in the description box. Alright then, this was all you need to know about France tourist visa. In case you have questions, write them down in the comments section and the Visa Library team will get to them right away. Before you leave, ensure to like this video and download the free PDF file for France tourist visa from the link in the description. It's helpful in your application process. Stay tuned for more videos and updates. Thank you all for watching.